Good day, welcome back everyone. This is the Market Beast edition of this channel. We're going to go over, revisit this OST Overstock symbol here, guys. So far, I've actually been wrong about it. Yeah, so we're just going to revisit the chart and see what has happened, what's going on, what could potentially happen here over the next, I'm going to give it about 2 to 3 weeks. Yep. So yeah, just sit back and if you're invested, of course, just stick around to the end as we go over this, guys. So let's just dive into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's October the 13th, 2020. Current price of Overstock is $82.82 respectively, down about 1% and just over a half today. Okay, so these are the weekly candles. As we mentioned in a previous video, we were looking to play this one to the downside near, let's see, 65-ish, and it hasn't done anything but go up, right? So yeah, definitely not looking good in the portfolio there on that very small position, honestly. Just a teaser starter position, right? So I'm still saying that this could potentially have a move down to 65. But as I did mention on the video, where we're looking at this range right here, these two ranges right here, these two red lines outlined here, for those of you listening in, $65 up to $86. So I'm not surprised it's gone up to 86, but if it actually goes all the way up to $96, that would actually surprise me a little bit. But I mean, if it results in like a wick on the weekly here, you know, if we just get a nice wick up to that point and then we get a rejection and then of course continue the trend lower, then yeah, that would obviously be within what I was anticipating. But I don't know, guys, the buyers are a little relentless in this instrument here. It doesn't look like they want this price to go down anytime soon here, but I think over the next 2 to 3 weeks it's going to be interesting to watch. Let's see where the stochastics is. Okay, so the stochastics all the way down. Yeah, I'm still gonna say that this has the potential to move down. Yeah, because I mean at this point, okay, the highest point in this play here is gonna be at about 120. Let's see, what is it? $128.50, right? So that's the highest level that it needs to, you know, revisit, either get a touch and then rejection, right? Just kind of come up, you know, touch that point, maybe come down, get rejected, take a breather, find a higher low, and of course continue the momentum to the upside. That's possible. But I was just looking to play this thing down for, you know, just a breather, but it's definitely not doing what I was anticipating that could happen. So just keeping an eye on it. I think my contract expires on the 16th this week. So yeah, meh. We're just gonna, I guess, take a loss on that one and of course see what happens next. So I guess we'll just keep an eye on this up until the 16th, and yeah, we'll just play that way. Let's just pull up the monthly, because the monthly was where I got all of this information from. All right, so obviously it's still stuck. Let me just erase these lines here. So obviously it's still stuck within the two red lines here, and this candle closes in about 7 days. This is the monthly here. All the sell orders are clear all the way up to that line, so that's actually pretty bullish if it can hold this level. The relative range of 75 up to 65, it actually still has a lot of bullish momentum, I'll be honest. As much as I want to play this down, yeah, I mean, that the facts are the facts here in the chart. So but we got this moving average getting pretty close, so it is kind of, you know, catching up to the price here. So only a matter of, I guess, another month, I would say, it needs for the purple line here to catch up with the price there. But like I said, I was looking to play this thing just a quick move here, but yeah, it's being very stubborn. Overstock must be about to make some really explosive moves to the upside, because remember, guys, we've never been in this range. You see, we've only resulted in spikes. Let me get you a view, microscopic view of that. You see, above this red line here, there's never really been any candles bodies to close above it. As I zoom out and you can see that a little better, you see every time we closed above this line, any, you know, candles, like, it just got really nasty to the downside. So of course, me thinking that history will play its course again, that obviously is so far not the truth, because it looks like we're consolidating within this new range right here. I guess we're going to call this the new range, right? We just got 2 monthly candles to successfully close within this range. So what happens on this next candle will probably, it looks like we're probably going to close another monthly candle within this range. So it's important to note that if this candle closes above $65, guys, that's very bullish, actually. Very bullish as far as I can see. And I don't see why Overstock couldn't revisit the highs here at $120 and potentially even obliterate this level. I have to be very honest with you guys. Okay, so especially if there's a monthly candle that closes above this top line here of above, as at about $86. If you get a monthly candles to close above that line, then this thing is really set up for a nice play to the upside, guys. But like I said, I'm still watching it. We're going to watch this range, 86 to 65. See how this monthly candle closes out. I'm still going to anticipate a move at least down to 65 before the month's close here. And that's basically all I'm looking to see. Potentially even enter another contract extending as far as the end of the month. And, of course, see how that plays out. Okay. So that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave your comments down below. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there. Napoleon Macro, go ahead and sign off. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm going to catch you in the next video. Be sure to click the video that you see popping on the screen there just to make sure I had a prediction that I got it right. Of course, if I got it wrong, you can just roast me in the comment section. So I'm out of here, guys. Take care. I'll catch you on the next video. Good day.